afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lock Picking. I have a challenge lock. Where am my challenge lock? Where'd you go? Oh, it's up here. This is by West Coast Picks. This is called Delusion. I got a mummified key. So we'll just put that down. Need be, I'll show you the key if I have to. This is the lock. Let's see what we can do about picking this puppy. Get it in here. Okay. Nice fit. Need to put this just a little bit like that. Put the key over here. Before I started, I know my big mouth is just going to keep on going, so why not? I decided I wasn't prejudiced against Peterson. I started out with Sparrows 10 years, maybe more ago, and I stuck with them. But now I decided to buy some Peterson picks. These are all Peterson. I have a nice, really nice case to put it in. And I'm going to try my new picks out. Don't know. I hear Peterson has stronger steel. Let's check it out. Let's just pick. Okay. Going to use a 1.2 millimeter tension wrench. And I'm going to move it up a little bit. There you go. Okay, here we go. Nothing on fingers. Nothing on one. Click at a 2 and some movement. 3, and I got a little bit more movement. Nothing on 4. Wow. This is all, okay, that was all 4. Nothing's on 5. 6. Got a click and a little bit of movement. Back to beginning. Stay, damn it. Nothing on 1. 2. Counter rotation on 3. And I lost my false set. Okay, 4. Nice click at 4. Nothing on 5. 6, okay. Got a good false set going. Back to beginning. Nothing on 1. 2. 3. Counter rotation on 3. And kind of lost my false set again. Maybe I should start in the back. 4. That's good. Bouncy. 5. Got a click out of 5. I'm going from the back now. 5. 4. Okay, I got my false set back. 4. 3. All kinds of clicking going on 3. Okay. 2, got some great movement there. Got a real nice false set going. Big false set. That was 1. 2. 3. Got counter rotation going. Okay, lost a little bit of the false set there. From the beginning, no, I'm going to the back. Maybe 6. Okay, got a little click out of 6. 5, I got my false set back. That thing on 4. Yeah, well, I think I got a click out of 4. Okay, back on 3. Click out of 3. Still on 3. Okay. Two, got a little bit of movement going there. A really big false set going. Nothing on 1, 2, 3. That is 4. 5, counter rotation. Come on. And I lost some of my false set again. Start from the front. 1, 2, nice click out of 2. Come on, tension and stay in there. 3, nice, a little movement there in 3. Nothing on 4. And that was 5. I don't know what's holding me up here. It's from the back. 5 feels good. 4. Something fell. Is it that one? Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's 3. 2. Gotcha, baby. Woo! How about it, Mr. Easy? What do you think?
That was easy.
According to who? All right. All right. Oh, I love it. Oh, lockpicking is so much fun. Okay. Let's remove this. Step that there. Peterson, not bad. I like them. I like them. I don't think there's a big difference, but if they're stronger, I break picks all the time. Stop talking, start moving. Move it down. What do I need here? Don't want to lock it. I don't want to mummify the key if I don't have to. But might show you anyway, just for the hell of it. Okay. I never have luck with these. I just do it wrong. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Oh. All right. Sounds good to me. Gonna use a shim here and get this in here. Okay, and no problems, please. Wow, I didn't have a problem, guys. All right, no dropping pins, no nothing. Here we are, number 1. Beautiful. I will go over the pins in a minute. I see some alien tech to the core. We'll go over that. Coming close to dropping them. Yeah, I got fingers. Check it out. I can't move those fingers, so that's why I'm always complaining about my fingers. Okay. Okay. Wow, beautiful looking pins. Really, really, really sharp top of it. All right, let's get a close-up really of the core here. Zoom. Okay, we got threading on 1, 3, 1, 3, and 5. Is that right? 1, 3, and 5. You see them? Okay, you know what? Here's a better look at them through the old strobe little light. How's that? You see 1, 3, very nice threading, very nice. I might give another one of these away in one of my giveaways. I know everybody really appreciated that, but we'll see. Whoops. Okay, let's see what we got on the top. Did I pull the? Sure, I did. I need that. Okay, here's where I drop pins and everything else. No droppy pins. Close, but no cigar. Very, very nice. Looks like a steel spring. Number 2. A very nice barrel pin, is it? Figure after all these years I'd know what my pins are called, but I don't. That's because I make weird pins and I don't know what to call them, so I don't memorize names. Come on. Copper spring and number 2. Whoa. Look at that pin. You can't yet, or you can see them. Now I'll give you a close-up in 1 second. Beautiful work. Nice work, West Coast Picks. You always make awesome challenge locks. I appreciate. Who sent this to me? I don't know. But I've had it for a little bit, and I'm moving it on in my next... Wait, what just happened there? Something's wrong. Oh, check that out. That was a pin and pin. Nice. And there's something else weird about this. I'll go over that in a minute too. Another spring. All the springs so far are kind of different. Go from the other side. Number 6. Number 6 is not even coming into play here. It's actually a little bit below the shear line. Came out fairly easy. Where's the spring? 1 second. So far, so good. Come on. Wow. Okay, here's a half a spring in 6. And what did I do? Oh, that's 6. I got something wrong here. 1. Oh. Okay. I almost was going to freak out for a minute. And bang. Let me give you a close-up of what we got here. You got to check these pins out, especially number 4. Zoom. Oh, it was zoomed. Okay, let me take it off the stand here. Sorry about the shaky. Zoom. Okay, bottom pins. Very nice serrated pin in number 1, serrated in 2, double serrated in 2, single serration in 1, double serration in 4, sorry. Is that a pin and pin? No, it's just very nice micro serrations in that. And look at number 6, it's a long, almost like the top part there is almost like a trap. Almost. Beautiful pin. Top pins, look at that pin, man. Double serrated pin with like a T-top. I'm not sure if I have that in right, but I'll figure it out. 2 is a nice serrated pin. 3, look at that pin, man. That's awesome. Double spool, the serration in the middle. Now we get to this one. I got to do it carefully. I don't want to shake around. Try doing it the best I can. Should have left it on the stand. It's a pin and pin, and this thing's different. So, come on. I don't know if you can see that well enough, but that looks like serration towards the bottom. That ring is loose. It spins. It's free floating. How can I show this? I can't do it with one hand, I'm sorry, but that little thing right there, it just spins. Look at that pin and pin. Even the top is beautiful. It's like spinners on them. Very, very cool work. We got a barrel pin in number 5 and a standard in number 6. What a beautiful challenge lock. This was fun. Excellent, excellent lock. Thank you, West Coast Picks, again. And that's what I got. That's what I did. I picked it. All right, guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend. And don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. I'll see you on the next one. I am gone.
That was easy.
Was it?